Number 4. First of all, before to discuss this question, you must remember the precision of these instruments. So this is the precision, that means the smallest unit an instrument can measure. So if you look at the meter rule, then the smallest division that the meter rule can measure is 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter, and for vernier caliper it is 0.1 millimeter, for micrometer is 0.01 millimeter. Then for meter rule, the precision is also 0.1 centimeter, 0.01 centimeter, 0.001 centimeter. So this is for the precision, that means the smallest unit an instrument can measure. Now for the question, a student intends to measure accurately the diameter of a wire. So it is measure accurately. It does not mention about the precision. It is mentioning about the range, that is which range fits this value accurately. So accurately, the diameter of a wire known to be approximately 1 millimeter and the internal diameter of a pipe known to be accurately 2 centimeter. What are the most appropriate instrument for the student to use to measure these measurements? To make these measurements. So wire and the pipe. So wire is 1 millimeter. So the wire is 1 millimeter. To measure this 1 millimeter accurately, we must try to discuss from the, or we must choose from the most precise to the less precise. That means from the bottom to the top. So if you just use a micrometer screw gauge, then the micrometer screw gauge usually measures between 0 to 25 millimeter. So 0 to 25 millimeter, and it mentions about 1 millimeter. So yes, we can use micrometer screw gauge to measure this precisely or accurately. So we can use micrometer screw gauge to measure it accurately, since the accuracy of micrometer screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter. So it is most accurate comparing the other instrument. So we can use a micrometer screw gauge. And for the other option, that is for the pipe, here it mentions the internal diameter of a pipe. And to measure this internal diameter, it mentions about internal diameter. And to measure the internal diameter of a pipe, we cannot use a micrometer screw gauge because it is used to measure the external diameter, but we cannot use it to measure the internal diameter. But we can use the vernier calipers to measure the internal diameter because it has inner jaws. And by using this inner jaws, we can measure the internal diameter. So the option would be vernier caliper. So the answer is C.